So today my topic is theory of planetary motion. Earlier in the first class we have discussed the introduction about the gravitation. So since we are learning gravitation, okay. So today my topic is theory of planetary motion, where we will learn about the Kepler laws of planetary motion. Okay. So here we are in Maa Sarde School of Learning. Date is 26th of August 2022. So, alright. Now, so the first law, the Kepler first law is also known as law of orbit. Why we have named it law of orbit? Because this law tells us about the orbits where the planets revolve on a fixed path. That fixed path is called orbits, right? So in this law he says that every planet revolves around the sun, and the path is in elliptical orbit, okay, and the sun lies at foci of the ellipse, okay. So every planet revolves around the sun, okay. Every planet revolves around the sun and the path is elliptical orbit, and the sun lie at the foci of the ellipse. This is something like this. So you can say that let draw as a sun. This is the sun, and our elliptical path is something like this, okay, and this is the horizontal and this is the vertical line. So here is the sun, and let's say this is the A point and P point. So if we talk about, as you can see, this is what? Elliptical orbit. Since it is an ellipse, as we all know, so let's say it is moving around the surroundings, okay. This is O, and let's say this is the sun, okay. Sometimes it moves and it comes here, okay. Yes. And this is a point P, we can say that, okay, and this point sometimes comes here and then move here, okay. As we all know, this is the major axis, and this is what the minor Okay, so this law is based on inverse square law. We'll see why it is called inverse square law. Okay, so the point P is known as perihelion. Why? Because this is what the closest point to the sun. Okay, and the point A is known as aphelion, which is the farthest point from sun. Okay, so this is the first law. First law says that every planet revolves around the sun, and the path is elliptical, and the sun lies at the foci of the ellipse. This is the foci of the ellipse. Okay, this is the closest point, so it is known as perihelion, and this, since it is a farthest point, so it is known as aphelion. So that is it for today. Okay, so in the next class we'll see the second law of Kepler of planetary motion. Okay, thank you, thanks.